All right, coldest mornings of the year around here the last couple of days. I guess kind of goes with the territory now, getting into December. Now, about a single digits across the region. Here's a look at this morning's lows. It was 8 degrees this morning in Flagstaff, 5 degrees just west of Flag, out in Belmont, 8 up at the Grand Canyon, 16 in Payson, freezing up in Page, which, a lot of people with boats in slips, that's kind of a concern. It was 18 degrees in Hopi, Prescott, 18 as well, 16 down in Payson. Clear, calm weather, causing these very cold overnights. And we're not doing a lot of warming up during the daytime either. Still some pretty chilly daytime temperatures, running around 5 degrees or so below average for this time of year in Flagstaff with our high at 43. But these colder temperatures out in the valley locations, these are about 10, 15 degrees below average at 47 in Winslow. Hopi 43 today, only 45 degrees in Page. Sedona, you were 55 and Prescott 53. All right, this time of year we talk a lot about trapped cold air, particularly out in Winslow and Hopi and Page, Little Colorado Valley locations. And there's some trapped cold air down in the canyons of Sedona as well. So we kind of explain a little bit what's going on with that. You know, when we go to the nighttime, and the Earth starts to lose all its heat from the surface and all the heat goes up into the upper levels of the atmosphere, we get every morning what's called a surface-based inversion. That means all the cold air, it actually gets colder as you leave the surface, and then all that warm air that left the surface overnight is in the upper levels of the atmosphere. And the temperature profile, if you launch a weather balloon up in the vertical, it gets colder and colder towards the surface, then warmer as you get up higher in the atmosphere. And right now, with high pressure in the upper levels and some sinking air and very calm winds, that cold air just stays trapped down in the valley locations. So it looks like we're going to remain this way with some chilly trapped air at least through tomorrow, possibly Thursday, before some of the valley locations start to warm up. I think in Flagstaff we do start to see temperatures climb as soon as Thursday, but some of the valleys probably start to warm up on Friday. And that'll be in response to these storm systems moving into the west. And that's a little weird. We're going to warm up with storm systems moving in, but what we have right now is very calm weather and high pressure in place with a little bit of a light northerly breeze. But as these storm systems start to impact the west, particularly on Thursday, we'll see the wind direction switch to a westerly. So in Flagstaff, I think we warm up around 10 degrees beginning Thursday. The valley locations by Friday warm up around 10 degrees. And that's because these storm systems are going to move through the Intermountain West. It looks like all the precipitation is going to be confined from Northern California to the Pacific Northwest. Then they really weaken into the Intermountain West. But on Friday, we kind of have a little dry cold front moving in. We pick up with the westerly breezes on Friday. And then we get into the weekend, and it's cooler air once again from the north. But these storm systems not bringing us any precipitation right now. And it looks like this storm track doesn't have us in mind for about another 10 days or so. But it does look like the storm track picks up in the southwest as we get into midweek. Okay, currently outside, chilly temperatures right now, and we're in for another chilly overnight tonight, 9 degrees for us in Flagstaff. So we get into Wednesday morning, sunrise at 7:17, and that's when we get the coldest temperatures, just before sunrise. 47 degrees, a little bit warmer out there tomorrow. Mostly sunny. 58 in Sedona, still chilly out in the Little Colorado River Valley, as I mentioned, 57 in Prescott. And then we get into Thursday when I talked about, this is the wrong 5-day forecast, but it's close. And as we get into Thursday and Friday, we warm things up and it gets chilly again going into the weekend.